everyone! Welcome to another virtual lesson. Today we're going to be making some really fun origami cat boxes. I'm going to show you two different ways you can make them. All you're going to need today is scissors, paper, and something to color with. Let's get started. Both of our crafts today require square pieces of paper. I'm going to show you how to make a square out of a rectangular piece of paper. To do so, take one corner of your page and fold it over to the other side until you have an equal triangle. Using your scissors, cut the excess off. Now we've got a square and we're ready to make some origami cat boxes. Let's move on to our first craft. For our first craft, I'm starting off with a square piece of paper. I'm going to fold it in half once. Then I'm going to open it and fold it in half the other way. Next, I'm going to fold it diagonally in a diamond shape. After folding it diagonally this way, I'm going to open it up and fold it diagonally the other way. I'm going to open my square up again and take each corner of my square into the center point. I'm going to do this on each side. I'm taking the corner and folding it into the center. Now I'm going to take each edge and fold it into the first two little dots that I've just pointed to. I'm going to take the edge and fold them into those two creases that are closest to it. I'm going to turn my paper to the side over and do that on the same side. So I'm taking the edge, folding it to that first point. Next, I'm turning my paper over so that the two strips are on the right and left side of my paper. Next, I'm folding my paper in half. Then I'm going to fold it in half once more. This next part's a little tricky. I'm going to show you a few times so you know what I mean. I'm kind of making a triangle by pushing one of the sides of my paper down. I'll show you once more on the other side. It's starting out as a square. I'm turning it over and then pushing on the corner so that it becomes a triangle. Next, I am taking the folded piece on the left and bringing it over to the right so that I can just see the color that's going to be on the outside. I'm doing this again on the other side, taking the left folded piece and turning it to the right. Now, this is what it should look like from above. Now I am taking the top right corner and bringing it down into the center line and folding it down. I'm doing this on both sides. After this, I'm going to turn over my work and do the same thing on the other side. I'm taking the right corner and folding it down into the middle, and then I'm going to take the left top corner and fold it down into the middle. Next, I'm going to take the triangles on the right and left and fold those into the middle, similar to what we just did. I'm going to flip over my paper and also do this on the other side. The front and the back sides of your work should look the same. Now, I'm taking the triangles on the side and kind of opening them up a bit. As you can see, they have a little like pocket piece. I'm going to take the other piece that looks like a square and fold it down into a triangle and then tuck it into that piece. If you didn't quite see this, I'm going to do it again on the next 3 sides, so hopefully you'll be able to see it. I'm opening up that little pocket, and then I'm folding down the other flap into a triangle and then tucking it in. It's good to fold it down neatly and get the edges straight. Here I'm doing it again, opening up that little pocket, folding down the square into a triangle and then tucking it in. Here's the last side. Now you can flip your cat box over and using your fingers create the base. Push down to make the base. And there you have it. Now I'm going to add some details. Here I'm coloring in a nose, a mouth, and some eyes. You can make your cat look like whatever you'd like. You could even probably make it into a different animal. Here I'm coloring in some spots. And there you have it. Let's move on to our next craft. Here's our next box. It's shaped a little different, and as you can see, I even made a fox version. We're starting out in a similar way. We're going to fold down our paper in half. Then I'm opening it and folding it in half the other way. Next, I am taking each corner and bringing it into the middle. I'm doing this on all 4 sides. Next, I'm going to take the bottom edge and fold it down into the middle. I'm again going to do this on all 4 sides. This is what your craft should look like after you're done folding all the sides. I'm going to open it up and show you where the base of our box is going to be. It is that square in the middle with the X in it. Now, at the bottom of that square, I want you to fold the bottom flap up. Now it'll kind of look like an envelope. Next, we're going to take the bottom right square and the bottom left square on our little envelope shape and make it into a triangle. We kind of did this in our first craft on a bigger scale. I'm doing it again so you can see what I mean. I'm pushing the corner to make the square into a triangle. I'm going to do that once again on the other side. Now that I've folded over both sides into triangles, I'm going to take the intersection of the triangle and fold it to the middle of the triangle. After folding it and making the crease, I'm going to fold it back. Then I'm going to go to the other side and take the inner part of the triangle and fold it over to the other half of the triangle, as you can see. I'm opening it up again and then folding in the other direction. I'm taking the top of the triangle and folding it to the outside. I'm going to show you this one more time so that you can see what I mean. I went back a few steps. I'm making those first triangles. Then I'm taking the inner side of the triangle and folding it into the middle part of the triangle on both sides. And then I'm folding it back. And then going from the top side of the triangle, folding it to the outside middle. The section under and between these two shapes is going to be where the face of our cat is. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to construct the box shape. To do so, you fold the top piece of paper into the box, and the shapes of the ears will bend. I'm going to show you one more time. I'm folding the paper into where the box is, and then the ears are moving. They're moving up into a triangle shape. Next, I'm going to fold the sides of the box. We have a visitor. Okay, bye visitor. Now I'm going to complete the box. I'm folding in the sides of the back of the box and taking the top triangle and tucking it in. I'm making sure to fold each corner so that the box is nice and sturdy. I'm going to show you one more time how to make the back. Next, I'm going to decorate the face. Here are some examples of ones I've already made. I'm going to make a cat who has its eyes closed here. I drew two closed eyes a nose, and a mouth. Then I drew some whiskers. That's it for today's lesson. I really hope you enjoyed making these cute cat origami boxes. Be sure to share your creations with us. Bye everyone!